Hi everyone, my name is Anthony and welcome back for part 2 on our presentation where we'll be focusing on neck pain. Once again, this information is intended for educational purposes and should not be taken as medical advice. Enjoy! Your neck is a complex part of the body and it works hard. Your neck is part of the cervical or upper portion of the spine and it supports the weight of your head, which is about 10 or 12 pounds, or about the weight of a bowling ball. Your neck houses intricate systems of muscles, tendons, nerves, and blood vessels. And some common daily activities can cause muscles in the neck, especially the trapezius muscles, to get tight and painful. So how can you make your neck's job easier? Is your lifestyle causing you neck pain? According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, at least 15% of Americans report neck pain in the past 3 months. Examples of daily activities that may cause neck pain include poor posture, staring down at a smartphone, using a laptop, computer, tablet, or e-reader, sleeping on the wrong kind of a pillow, carrying a heavy shoulder bag, sedentary activity such as watching TV, and painting a ceiling. Let's test your knowledge again. When looking down at your smartphone, your neck must support up to blank pounds of force. The correct answer? 60 pounds. This varies based on the degree at which your angle is at, but looking down at about a 60-degree angle will increase the force the neck must support from the normal 10 to 12 pounds up to 60 pounds, which is approximately the weight of 4 adult bowling balls. Have you heard of text neck? It is caused by the repetitive strain on the neck muscles from looking down and putting too much extra force on the neck, and it is becoming increasingly common even in teens and young adults as smartphone and other electronic use becomes more and more popular. Some tips for preventing neck strain. Always look ahead. Think eye level. Look ahead at screens, tablets, TVs, etc. versus up, down, or sideways. Do a posture check. Optimal posture means keeping the ear, shoulder, and hip in a straight line. Utilize the backrest of the chair for support and feet should be flat on the floor. Use a headset instead of cradling your phone between your neck and your shoulder. Sleep on your side or your back, not your stomach. Stomach sleeping puts extra strain on the neck muscles. Use a pillow that supports and aligns your neck. It should support the natural curve of the cervical spine and should be high enough to align the neck and the back, but not so high that it stretches the neck. Do basic stretches for your neck and the muscles that support it. And tune in to how you feel and take a break as needed throughout the day. Listen to your body's signals about fatigue and pain and don't just push through it. Get up and move every 30 to 60 minutes or turn off the electricity for a while. You may remember in part 1 we spoke about reach zones. To help prevent neck pain and maintain good posture, keep your work close to your body. Working within these preferred zones decreases stress on your neck and your upper back muscles. Here we see an aerial view of your reach zones, while in part 1 we saw a lateral view of your reach zones. So just remember, it is important to keep in mind these reach zones when structuring your work area to reduce neck and back strain. Let's talk about some stretches for the neck. Start with your head in a comfortable, aligned position, and then slowly tilt your head to the left, stretching the right side of the neck. Once you feel a good stretch there, you can turn it over to the right side. It is important to remember here not to use your hands to produce an extra force upon your neck. As we remember, we spoke about how heavy the head is on its own and how changing these angles will increase the force within it of itself. It is not necessary to produce extra force on your neck muscles with your hand. The chin tuck stretch. Sit up tall with your head in a neutral position. Gently push the chin towards the back of the head, and to make sure your chin does not drop, place your index and third finger on your chin. Shoulder shrugs. Sit or stand with the head in a neutral position. Raise the top of your shoulders towards your ears until you feel a slight tension in your neck. Hold and then slowly release this tension. What about neck massage? Some studies have shown that for some people, there may be some benefits for neck pain. If you do try massage, it is best to find a trained massage therapist or professional. Ask about their training, experience, and credentials when you first meet them. And also check with your doctor first to make sure massage is safe for you. You should consider seeing a doctor if you're experiencing neck pain caused by an accident, trauma, or fall. If your neck pain is accompanied by pain that radiates to the arms and legs. If the pain is continuous and persistent. if you have a severe pain or pain that keeps you from getting comfortable, or if you have neck pain along with a headache, numbness, weakness, or tingling. These could all be signs of something more serious. Some small next steps of what you can do. Try a simple stretch at your desk or workstation. Try putting a reminder in your phone or computer to take a short stretch break. Move your phone or your computer to eye level. And also commit to checking in with yourself about how you're feeling. I want to thank you all for joining me for this two-part presentation, and I hope you're able to learn something to benefit you in your day-to-day living. If you ever have any future questions about your health and fitness journeys, you're always welcome to stop in at our office. We would love to have a conversation with you. Thank you.